Hello children, today we will see second chapter, Functions of Management. In this lesson we will discuss what is meant by functions of management and then their types. First we will see what is meant by functions of management. Managerial functions are time specific, institution specific and country specific. The management functions of Industrial Revolution may differ from the management functions of 19th century and followed by 20th century. This chapter is an attempt to explain the management functions of 20th century and after. Management functions are called as managerial process. This process is 24 hours non-stop process for attaining the objectives again and again for reaching the highest level. The types of functions of management. The functions of management is classified into main functions and subsidiary functions. First we will see what are the main functions. The main functions are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, motivation, controlling and coordination. Next we will see in detail. First we will see the first main function, that is planning. Planning is the primary function of management. Nothing can be performed without planning. In short, planning refers to deciding in advance. Planning should take place before doing. Most individual or group efforts are made by determining before any operative action take place what shall be done, where, how and who shall do it. Next function is organizing. Organizing is the process of establishing harmonious relationship among the members of an organization and the creation of network of relationship among them. Organizing function work is assigned to employees who are given authority to carry out the work assigned and made accountable for it. Next function is staffing. Staffing refers to placement of right persons in the right job. Staffing includes selection of right persons, training to those needy persons, promotion of best persons, retirement of old persons, performance appraisal of all the personnel and adequate remuneration of personnel. And then the next function is directing. Directing denotes motivating, leading, guiding and communicating with subordinates on an ongoing basis in order to accomplish preset goals. Employees are kept informed of all necessary matters by circulars, instructions, manuals, newsletters, notice boards, meeting, participative mechanism, etc. in order to enable the employees to accomplish the organizational goals. The next function is controlling. Controlling is performed to evaluate the performance of employees and deciding increments and promotion decisions. The control function helps in identifying underperformers and arranging remedial training for them. It is the control function which facilitates synchronization of actual performance with predetermined standards. Then next one is innovation. Coordination. Coordination is the synchronization or unification or integration of the actions of all individuals working in the enterprise in different capacities so as to lead to the most successful attainment of the common objectives. Coordination is included in every managerial function. For example, planning and coordination, organizing and coordination, staffing and coordination, directing and coordination, motivation and coordination, and controlling and coordination. This all the activities are divided group wise or section wise under organizing function. Now such grouped activities are coordinated towards the accomplishment of objectives of an organization. Next one is motivating. The goals are achieved with the help of motivation. Motivation includes increasing the speed of performance of your work and developing a willingness on the part of workers. This is done by a resourceful leader. The workers expect favorable climate conditions to work, fair treatment, monetary or non-monetary incentive, effective communication, and gentleman approach. These are all the few motivation given by the manager to the workers. Students, in this session we have discussed the main function. Rest of the concept will be continued in the next session. Thank you.